Alright guys, welcome to our 16th writing video. I want to apologize. When I created your writing prompt document, I said there were 20 prompts, and there are not 20 prompts. There are only 15 prompts. So as you are watching this video, you should be all done writing your 15 prompts. You should have been able to share your document with me as you were writing on it. I've hopefully been giving you guys feedback and comments on your writing as you were working on it. So we are now going to be jumping into the next phase of our memoir writing, which is going to be the editing phase. So this is the same document I shared with you guys in our first video, talking about how the coronavirus is one of the biggest historical events since World War II. Now, the reason we're writing this is not just for you guys to do busy work and to write things down. It is so that when you look back on this time, you have this document to refer to review this historic time period you're living through. So, we've talked about what a memoir is in the beginning of our video, or beginning of the series, and the writing process. I've showed this document to you before. We've done the planning phase, and we've done the drafting phase. Now we're going to be doing the editing phase, and this is super easy to do on the computer because you can use your tools like spell check and grammar check to fix mistakes that you may have. Okay, once we're done with the editing phase, we're going to do the revision and then publishing. But to do the editing phase, I need you guys to go towards your document that looks like this. This is what you guys hopefully were working on during your writing phase. Now, I was not writing along with you guys. Instead, I just wrote sample, 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 because I'm going to be having you do some formatting in here right now, and I need to have the text to show you what that's going to look like. So, what I'm going to ask you guys to do is to open up this document. If you need to pause this video, you can go ahead and do that. This should be in your Google Drive called Memoir Writing Document. Okay. Once you open up this document, I need you to take what you have written in each box and copy it. Either hit Control-C once it's highlighted, or right-click and hit copy. So highlight, Control-C, or highlight, right-click, copy. Then I want you to go to the bottom of your document, right here, hit enter a couple times, hit Control-V, and it should paste it, or right-click and hit paste. I need you to do that for me for all of the writing that you have in here. So you're going to copy all of it, copy, bring it down here, Control-V, paste it, go up top to the third one, copy it, Control-C, bring it down, Control-V, paste it. You're going to do that until all of your writing is out of these boxes. I need all of your writing to be in the bottom of this document, and I do not want it in these little boxes because we need to start formatting it into paragraphs, okay? Once you've done that, once you've copied it all down into here, I want you to try to break up your writing into paragraphs. Now remember, a paragraph should have about 5 to 7 sentences, but the ideas in each paragraph need to stay consistent, okay? So if you feel like your prompt 1 and 2 should be a paragraph, once you copy and paste it, make that a paragraph. Hit enter, tab, and then start your new paragraph. So basically we're taking all of our information out of our tables, we're putting it down at the bottom, and we're making it paragraph form. Once you've done that, I want you to send it to me. Hit share again. Once you hit share again, I should be able to see it, and then I can go through and give you editing help and tips and whatnot. So again, copy and paste everything out of the document, out of the table, put it at the bottom of the document, create some paragraphs, and then hit share with me when you're all done. And in the next video, I'll show you what we're going to be doing. All right, guys, take care and good luck.